Deep in a forgotten scrapyard, a fallen legend waits for a second chance at life. Today, we rescue this 668 horsepower beast from the jaws of the crusher. The front end is a nightmare of twisted metal and shattered dreams. It's time to move. Careful now, she's fragile but full of potential. Welcome to the operating room. This is where the magic happens.
The LT4 supercharged V8. It's messy, but the core looks solid. Out with the old, contaminated blood. We need a fresh start. First layer goes off. Beneath the plastic lies the real work. Broken glass everywhere, a reminder of the impact that silenced this beast. The luxury interior is ruined. Dust, mold, and deployed airbags fill the cabin. These performance buckets are coming out for a deep restoration. We're stripping it to the bare metal, no bolt left unturned. These forged aluminum wheels have seen better days. Time for a change. Massive Brembo carbon ceramics. They're dusty, but hopefully salvageable. Magnetic ride control is the soul of this car's handling. The quad exhaust system comes off. We need a clearer path. Today is the big day. The heart is coming out. Separating the 10-speed transmission, precision is key here. There it is, 668 horsepower hanging by a thread. An empty shell, a blank canvas for our mechanical masterpiece. The frame is slightly bent. We need to pull it back to perfection. Laser precision ensures every millimeter is exactly where Cadillac intended. Out with the old twisted steel, cutting away the irreparable. Fusing strength back into the structure, the bond must be unbreakable. Smoothing out the scars, every curve must be flawless. Protecting the raw metal, the first step towards a new skin. No imperfections allowed. Massaging the metal back to life. Let's see what's inside. Time to crack open the LT4. The supercharger rotors need to be pristine for maximum boost. Painting the covers. A touch of custom flair for our build. Forged internals. Strength to handle the power we're about to unleash. Preparing the block. The cylinders must be smooth as glass. The backbone of the engine, perfectly balanced and ready to spin. Piece by piece, the heart of the Blackwing returns. Fixing the nervous system. Every connection must be perfect. Waking up the brain, updating the software for peak performance. Masking everything off, only the best finish will do. Black Raven? No. Let's go with something more electric. Here comes the color. Watch the transformation begin. Look at that depth, the metallic flakes dancing in the light.
The final layer. This is where the shine becomes legendary, curing the masterpiece. Heat locks in the perfection, even more perfection, removing any tiny imperfections from the clear, bringing out the mirror. You can see yourself in this paint. Ultimate protection for the ultimate Cadillac. The underside must be as clean as the top. New bushings, new links, tightening the handling. Let's give it a more aggressive voice. Stainless steel perfection. Slapping the 10-speed back in, ready for those lightning shifts. Coming home, the LT4 meets the chassis once again.
Connecting the fuel, oil, and coolant lines, keeping things cool under pressure, essential for that supercharged power. Fresh cooling system, no overheating on our watch. The face of the beast, aggressive and functional. Real carbon fiber, because weight matters, and so does style.
Aero is everything. Sleek lines for high-speed stability. Managing the airflow. Finishing the rear end look. Downforce to keep those rear tires planted. Piercing the darkness. LED technology restored. Crystal clear red. The signature Cadillac vertical light.
Removing the last traces of the past. Freshness restored. Putting the cockpit back together. Modern luxury returns. Alcantara and carbon fiber, the ultimate grip for the driver. Bolsters that hug you, ready for the track. Quality materials everywhere you touch.
The finishing touch for the feet. System online. Everything is communicating perfectly. Premium audio for those long cruises. From scuffed to spectacular, gloss black finish. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, the only choice for this power.
Zero vibration, smooth at 200 miles per hour. The stance is looking mean. High-performance synthetic oil, only the best. Bleeding the system, no air bubbles allowed. Powering up the beast, the final spark.
Moment of truth. Will she breathe again? Come on, baby, wake up. That V8 roar, music to my ears. Smooth, steady, and menacing. Dry as a bone, perfect sealing throughout.
Ensuring stopping power is absolute. Tracking straight and true. The final bath, removing the shop dust, revealing the final result, blotting away the water for a streak-free shine. Adding that showroom glow. It looks better than the day it left the factory. Reclaiming its identity, the Blackwing name returns. Ready for its owner. Leaving the shop for the first time.
Look at that paint pop. Time to see what 668 horsepower feels like. It pulls like a freight train. Handling is sharp as a razor. Listen to that supercharger whine.
From a total wreck to a masterpiece. From moldy ruins to pure luxury. The Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing, restored to its former glory. We saved a legend today. What should we restore next? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic builds.